This market is way more dangerous than most people suspect. If you've not been in crypto for several years, if this is your first cycle, then you're definitely underestimating how much risk there currently is. Because here's the thing, crypto prices are moved by liquidity, and liquidity sometimes goes into the stable coins, sometimes it goes into the risk on assets, and we can measure actually where we are in the liquidity cycle. Have a look at this chart over here. This shows the stable coin dominance. So how much of all of crypto is in stable coins measured in percent. And this peaked out at roughly 19%, and it's currently at 6.5%. Initially, in the first few years, we saw how the stable coins just got adopted. Then we've got our peak in November 2022, and since then a decline. Now, here's what's so fascinating about this chart. There is a direct negative correlation between the stablecoin dominance and crypto prices. When the stablecoin dominance is high, this means that a lot of people are simply parking their money on the sides. They've got their crypto money in stablecoins. They're not deploying that money into something risky that moves with the prices. So when we look at the middle of November 2022, when this peak happened, this is when Bitcoin bottomed out at 16K. Subsequently, the price of Bitcoin went up from 16K to roughly 100K, and that is when all of that stablecoin money got deployed. And so the question really is, what is the long-term equilibrium? Are we going to see simply just a sideways trading move now from a top that's somewhere at 19% to a bottom that's somewhere at 5%? Because now we've already seen all of that initial adoption. If that's the new normal, if we are going to move somewhere like this, and that means that the market could, in theory, get way more spooked from here, right? It could move much more into the stable coins, something that we've already seen in 2021 and 2022. And then, of course, if people move into stable coins, the Bitcoin price will go down. Here's another thing that a lot of people underestimate. How low could Bitcoin go in case suddenly things turn around? So let's play with the scenario that the crypto market is not expanding anymore. Let's say that it's already over. I'm not saying that this is the most likely scenario, but I am saying that it is possible, right? It has a non-zero chance. And historically, when we entered a bear market, we tended to fall below the average cost basis of the market, below the realized price. The current price is simply just what Bitcoin was traded for just recently. The realized price is when we look at all.
To get the full length video, feel free to simply subscribe over here. Then you get it recommended by the algorithm.